In this video, you'll learn how to retrieve your audience ID in Mailchimp. This process is essential for integrating your email marketing efforts. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Mailchimp. Once the page loads, you may need to sign in with your credentials if prompted. After signing in, you should see your Mailchimp dashboard. Next, locate the audience option on the left-hand side menu. Clicking on audience will direct you to a page that displays all your audiences. It is important to ensure you are on the correct audience page, as this is where you will find the audience ID. After that, look for the three dots icon, which represents more options. Clicking on these three dots will open a drop-down menu. This menu will allow you to access additional settings related to your audience. Once the drop-down appears, select Audience Settings. This action will take you to a new screen dedicated to the settings of your audience. Here you will find various options for managing your audience. Next, find the section labeled Audience ID. This section displays a unique identifier for your audience. It is vital to note this ID accurately, as it will be used for various integrations. Finally, to copy the audience ID, click on the copy button next to the ID. A confirmation message may appear briefly indicating that the ID has been copied to your clipboard. Ensure you have successfully copied it before moving on, as you will need this information for your future tasks. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.